What's up? It's Sierra LaFay. So we're still working on getting my camera, but in the meantime, I'm going to keep using my webcam. We're going to use what we have until we have what we need. Just took my hair out of my sewing yesterday, and I'm going to get it back into sewing tomorrow. But I kept my hair in a sewing for 2 months. So this will pretty much be 3 months where I don't put heat on my hair. And I really want to see how much length I'm able to retain by doing so. Hopefully an inch. Other than like my leave out, because like I mentioned in my last video, that is breaking. But I do want to do just like a quick little length kind of check here. So kind of right in the back, the hair stops here. Turn to the side. So it definitely has grown. And then do some from the upper side. Yeah, the upper side is like almost the same length as the back, if not the same length as the back. Wow. Yeah, my hair's grown a lot. I did a 21-day cleanse. I forgot to mention that. I did do a 21-day cleanse where it's just literally me juicing and eating raw fruits and vegetables while I had the sewing in my head. And I really felt like that was going to help play a huge part in my hair growth, and I feel like it has. And I was literally drinking beet juice, vegetable juices, salads. I couldn't eat anything cooked and no meat or anything. It was just all fruits and vegetables. I did cheat like here and there and eat whole grains in terms of like oatmeal. Definitely played a huge part into my hair length right now. Let me wash my hair and get my weave prepped as well. And if you guys did see in the last salon hair video that I did after she had my sewing taken out, after she took out my sewing, you're actually supposed to detangle your hair in its dried state. But I personally don't feel comfortable doing that with my hair. I just feel like I will rip it into pieces, but you're supposed to do that as opposed to wetting it and detangling it. But I'm going to wet this immediately and lather it up with conditioner and start detangling, getting all these shedded hairs out, and then I'm gonna wash it, condition it, and then blow dry it. So it'll be nice and ready for tomorrow. I want to give you guys a little update. Ciao.